Hey guys, look at, now we are in the Canva design dashboard. So probably you know at the time what you have to do. Exactly, first of all you have to choose logo template. But right now I won't pick logo template. Currently I will take a custom template. However, now question is why I will do that, right? Actually for many purpose you may need a logo with a different dimension. So that time you have to use a custom dimension. Okay, come to the point. Now I want to create a custom dimension. For that I am hitting on custom dimension. Look at, this is custom dimension. Simply click here. Now set your dimension. Indeed here you can set your any dimension whatever you need. Suppose our need 600 by 600 pixel. I am putting on here, just follow the process carefully. And make sure pixel format from here. There are many sorts of format available, right? You can choose any of them as your wish. After that hit on create new design. Yes, we already created our custom dimension. Look at our dimension. 600 by 600 pixel, right? Now you can change the project name. I am changing my logo. Now I am going to back. Actually at the moment I want to show you the default size of Canva logo. For that purpose I am searching here logo. Please see, this is logo template and see the default dimension. That is 500 by 500 pixel, right? But we already created 600 by 600 pixel. Do you understand? Makes sense, huh? Alright, now I will start creating logo. Look at, this is our blank template. Think so currently I want to change the background color. That's why I click here. Then choose color. Suppose this time I like black. Okay, at the time I would like to say you one most important thing, that is plan or target. That's mean before creating your logo, literally you will have a target, right? For example, I have a restaurant or you have any other business, it doesn't matter. Since I have a restaurant business, hence I want to make a logo for my restaurant business. However, let's start. We already selected our likable background color. Now I'll put our brand name or restaurant name. To do that, hit on text tool. Now I'm choosing add a heading. Think so my restaurant name is Saplavar. I'm writing it. At the same time I want to add an icon or PNG image. For that reason I'm hitting on element. Then I will search burger. Then enter. Please follow. There are bunch of burger available, right? So you can choose any of them from here as your wish. But definitely it have to be free. Okay, I'm searching anyone from here. Just follow the process carefully. Suppose I'm liking the first one. Look at, this is free. So I'm just clicking here. In reality, you can get those types of burger icon or image from any other site. I already saw you in the previous section. How can you get lots of high quality images? How can you get lots of free icon and etc. Even you can get these types of icon or image from Google. Alright, finally I will adjust the design. Just follow the process carefully. Look at, I already created our targeted logo. It's very simple and attractive, right? At the same time, if you want, you can add more thing. Actually, it will depend on your requirement. In this way, you can simply create your own logo within a minute. Suppose you are a musician, so you need music based logo, right? Now question is, how can you create that? Actually, you will make it your own way with your creativity. Or if you don't have any experience about that, simply hit on templates, then search music logo like this. Please see, after searching, you will get some music based logo. Now you can choose anyone from here as your wish. Suppose I like this one. Add templates as a new page, yes. Now you can simply edit the logo, then use that for you. Look at, this is band name. So I'm just deleting it, just follow the process carefully. After that I will put my music company name. Suppose my music band name is Yo. At the same time you can change the font style. Just click here. Suppose I like this one. Then look the title. Music teacher. In this place you can put your identity or your company band code. Suppose my identity is music director. So I am simply choosing this. Then delete it. And write director. And look at the design. At the same time you can change the background color, even you can change the icon. Actually all the things will be depend up to you. So now look the design guys. It's pretty cool, right? And look the previous one. Alright, finally I will download the design. That's why click here, then choose download. Then you can choose your file type like before, then select your page. Just click here. There are two designs available, right? Because we already created two designs. So if you want to download two designs, that time just click here. Or if you need a single page, that time just uncheck this and select anyone. Suppose I like this one. Okay, this time I select all, then hit on done. And again press download. Alright, now we'll check out design. Look at, this is our design. Now I click on it. Now choose extract here. Can you see that? So my dear students, I hope you can get all the point pretty nicely. Indeed, I am trying to clear all the things step by step very easily because I believe your satisfaction is my success. Finally, I would like to say you, when you start creating your own logo, firstly you will do some research. Because you know research is the best policy to create something better than ever. Suppose you can see Facebook logo, YouTube logo, Google logo, or you just simply go google.com, then search logo, and hit on images. Look at, there are bunch of logo available, right? You can check them for your idea. Look at the Apple logo. They don't use any types of text. They only use a shape or icon. And look the Pepsi logo. They also use a shape with defined color. And look this logo. They use shape with some text. I hope you can get all the points clearly. Thank you very much for staying with me. See you in the next video.